What's up YouTube, it's your boy back with another banger, man. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get your hands on the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green that's going to be dropping this October 14th. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the entire video so you don't miss a section on how to cop these sneakers. I'm telling you guys, you're not going to miss this video. Now, if you are new to the channel, make sure you guys do subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below saying, are you going for these shoes? You feel me? Because I'm kind of interested. Are you going for these shoes? You feel me? Yeah. Alright guys, so these shoes are gonna be dropping this October 14th for a retail of $170 US. And these are gonna be dropping in adult sizing, like normal, kid sizing, and I'm pretty sure infant. Now these are gonna be dropping across all the foot sites, so make sure you guys do stay alert on that, you know what I'm saying? Just go in all the foot sites. I went on Hibbit, Foot Locker, Foot Action. It's across almost all foot sites, so you do have a pretty good chance of getting these shoes, although I do not know the stock numbers on these shoes, but it should be decent, you know what I'm saying? Now for demand around this shoe, I don't see too much demand, and you know what I'm saying, that's kind of worrisome if you are a reseller, because that means, you know what I'm saying, less profit. If there's less demand, there's gonna be less profit for these shoes. Now there is kind of a backstory to these shoes. These shoes are inspired by the 63-point game that Jordan had when he playing against the Celtics back in the day, you know what I'm saying, when he was going crazy. Now the sole in the shoe does have a resemblance to a actual basketball court, you know what I'm saying? So if you do look at the pictures of the soles, it is like, looks kind of like the wood grain of a basketball court. But even with this backstory, I don't see too much hype, you know what I'm saying? Usually when shoes have kind of like a backstory, kind of like raises the hype a little bit, but I really don't see too much hype around these shoes. Let me know in the comments, guys, do you see that much hype around these shoes? Because I haven't been seeing it lately, you know what I mean? Now since this is a women's exclusive shoe, men's sizing, like the bigger sizes, you know what I'm saying, the biggest size you can get on this shoe, it's probably gonna go to 12 or 11 like what it usually does, but the biggest sizes, you want to go after those, you know what I'm saying, because those are the sizes that men can actually fit. So I would recommend going for those sizes, and probably grade school sizes, because grade school sizes in Air Jordan 1s right now going stupid. I can't lie. You know what I'm saying? Grade school sizing on Air Jordan 1s are going crazy at the moment. So make sure you guys look out for those too, because if you're gonna get any profit out of this shoe, it's gonna be out of the bigger sizes in the women's, and then out of the kids sizing. But I would go for the bigger sizes in the kids too, because those usually go for the most bread. Now of course, when these shoes first drop, resale is gonna be a little up, you know what I'm saying? I expect resale when they first drop to be around 220 to either 240 or 250, and then once people's pairs start coming in, of course resale is gonna plummet, it's gonna drop, go through the ground. I see resale being 190 to 230. That's what I see resale being once everybody's pairs come in. And long term, I see these shoes going for 220 from anywhere to 250. I know, but I really don't see too much profit potential in these shoes, because like I said, there's not too much hype around it. And when you are scrolling on Instagram and you see all these hype pages posting shoes, and you don't see too much reactions out of like the general public on this shoe, you know what I'm saying, that's a bad sign. Now I'm not saying a lot of people aren't reacting to these shoes, but I'm not seeing a lot of people react to them in a way I'm trying to see. Like I'm trying to see people talking about, oh yeah, these boys is some heat, you know what I'm saying? But I'm really not seeing too much of that. In my honest opinion, this design, it's all right. I mean, the colors are all right, but it's nothing that I would wear. Let me know if you guys will wear these in the comments, but in my opinion, I don't think this shoe is that appealing as far as the color scheme, you know what I mean? Now I have heard that there's really good materials used on this shoe, so that possibly could play as a positive for this shoe in the resale aspect. So if the material is like really buttery on this shoe, you know what I'm saying, resale could come up a little bit. I'm not gonna cap. The quality of the shoes always brings resale up, but like I said, guys, make sure you focus on the grade school sizing and the larger sizes in the women's pairs. Now you can either go for the lunch money flip on this shoe, or you can go for the long-term hold. And in my opinion, if I do get my hands on these shoes, I'm still kind of contemplating with myself if I want to go for these. But if I do get them, I'm probably just gonna quick flip out of them, get the quick profit, and keep my money moving like I normally do. And these sneakers will also be dropping on sneakers, so make sure you guys go on the app as well, you know what I'm saying, get all your accounts ready for that. That's probably gonna be one of your best chances, because these foot sites, you know what I'm saying, they be playing me sometimes. They be playing y'all, cause they be playing me, bro. They be, you know what I'm saying, I get in the cart, then it takes them out of the cart. So the carts be kind of delayed, they be laggy, you know what I'm saying. Foot sites have a reputation of being very, very laggy when drops happen. So I will focus on sneakers, but foot sites, you do have a good chance. Make sure you go inside the malls, try to copy you and secure you some pairs, you feel me? Now, if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys do hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below saying, are you going for these shoes? Because these shoes, you know what I'm saying, they have a little potential, but in my opinion, I might not be going for these shoes. But let me know in the comment section if you guys are going for these shoes and how much pairs you plan on getting. It's been your boy, and I'm out.